The bottom rollers have three groups. On the left is the screw, the end cap, the gears, and a flat washer. Then there's the roller itself, and then another washer and another set of gears. I'm going to begin by lining up the teeth and putting a little bit of glue on the inside, making sure they stay in alignment, and clamp them on the edge. Now these have to fit nicely on the ends of the axles, so let's make sure that they line up. And they do. So I'm going to apply a clamp. And now for the other end. Make sure they're alignment.